Hey, welcome to week 30, assignment 2. As I told you, we are going to be working in code.org. This week you will set up your account and then you will do lesson 1. Lesson 1 has multiple steps to it, so don't think that it's just a one-time thing. The big thing with setting up your accounts, if you already have a code.org account, you can go ahead and go there, you can log in, and you can put in the code for your class. Please make sure that your name, your username, not your email, your username is your first and last name, or I have no way of giving you a grade or credit. So it's basically, once you go here to assignment 2, it says that you're going to go and you're going to set up an account. And then these are the codes that you need to set up your account to get to it. So if I go to code.org, so we're going to go over here and I'm at code.org. And then if you go here to sign in, and then it will come up and it will say, haven't joined yet. You can say create an account. If you feel comfortable doing it with any of these, you may, but if not, you can use your school email address, or if you have a personal email address, you can go ahead and sign up. So I am going to use an email address that I haven't used before. I'm going to set up my password. And then click sign up. Once you have done that, you're going to click on student. All right, display name. This is what has to be your first and last name. If it is something like Cool Coder, I do not know who Cool Coder is, therefore Cool Coder would get a 0 for this week. So you need to put in your first and last name. You can put in your age, whatever age you are. You can put this in, it's optional. And then you say, go to my account. Let's say, get started. All right, so now once you are here, with your dashboard, if you scroll down to the bottom, it says join a section, so you can join a teacher's section. So if I go back to my week 30 assignment, whichever week you are a part of, if you highlight this and right click and copy it, and then I can go back here and I can right click and paste it. It says join, and then I join section 2, and now I can do lesson 1. So to do that, if I click here to the course, this is lesson 1. I know it's, but it's just, so basically there are 15 steps to lesson 1. You have to do a step before you can move on to the next step. and then I will be able to tell. You do not have to turn anything in. You don't have to send me anything. I will be able to look up and it will turn basically on my side. It'll turn these all a color. I don't remember what color, but it'll turn a color whichever ones you have done. Okay, so that is what you are doing this week. We're starting off easy. Next week we'll be doing more, but I wanted to get us started and get us all logged in and all of that. So if you have any problems or questions, please let me know. And if not, have a wonderful week.